guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. So as you see here behind me, I have a bunch of Hot Wheel NFTs. These are from Series 5 and these did just come in past couple of days. I am still waiting on 4 more cars, but I do have right now at least one of each to be able to show you guys in this video. And these cars are absolutely insane. So I'm going to definitely take them, unbox them, because each one, as you see, comes in these cool little white boxes. I'm going to unbox those, and then the cars come in a plastic protector. I'm going to pull that out and show you guys the cars. I'm not going to be ripping them out of the package, but I'll at least show you guys what they look like, all the detail, because they look absolutely insane. But Season 5 had some pretty awesome cards, and like I said, I do have at least one of each. You can see I have a lot more than just one of each, but luckily in the mail, the rarest one of those actually came in so far. I'm still waiting on 4 more of those. And those of you who actually know me in person know that I like to kind of go above and beyond, and I kind of go a little overboard sometimes when I'm really passionate about something. But let's go ahead and get started with checking out every single one of the redeemable cars from the Hot Wheels NFT Garage Series 5. So let's go ahead, begin with the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. So that's what the box looks like right there. And it's pretty simple box, nothing too crazy and elaborate. NFT Garage right there. So we'll just go ahead and I'm going to carefully open this up. There's just a little sticker seal, just like a lot of things. But the quality of these cars is very similar to a Hot Wheels RLC. So let's go ahead, slide it out here. And that's what the back of them looks like. Just going to go ahead and close that up. So I have that right there while checking this Pagani out. And that right there is the Pagani right there, the 2017 Pagani Huayra Roadster. So let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic protector so we can see it a lot better. And holy cow, this thing looks absolutely insane. I am freaking out a little bit. And they also have the Real Riders tires, which is a really cool detail. But boom, look at the package right there. You see how it's kind of holographic, has a lot of cool shine to it. The car itself is slightly different reflective material compared to the rest of the packaging, but there's the car right there. The attention to detail is phenomenal. You got those Italian flag stripes there on the hood, and then it kind of goes down on the back as well. The tires are the Real Riders tires. It has the little number there on the side, the 92. And the attention to detail is just stunning. Look how crazy that car looks. And honestly, I didn't think that yellow would really look good. Or I guess gold wouldn't look as good. But seeing that in person, that is such a cool color. The bottom is just regular black. It has really nice rims as well. And that interior being that nice tan color. And then there's the back of the car. Let's see if I can get to focus. But yeah, the thing looks absolutely insane. Also, let me know at the, I guess maybe by the end of the video, what car you guys like best. And, yeah, let me go ahead and set this aside. And we will go ahead and check out the next car, which is the Aston Martin Vulcan. Let's go ahead and bust that open. Cut that seal. Alrighty, wow, that one actually looks really nice as well. I mean, all these are going to look really nice. But go ahead and take that out of the plastic protector. We're going to set that aside. Alright, and there it is. It's finished in a beautiful red color. It has that giant wing right there on the back, which looks incredible. And wow, that red looks really, really nice. Also, I don't know if you can really see it, but they did add on the back of the car right here, there's an extra layer of protection that's kind of cut out in the shape of the car, so the car doesn't move around in the package. Because in a previous series, they did have some cars where they were slamming back and forth, and were actually cracking the blister pack, which, if you are into the Hot Wheel NFTs, you know that these are not cheap. So yeah, trying to get a hold of these is pretty high dollar sometimes. But wow, that looks incredible. The stripes look really good there too. See if I can show you guys the front of that car. Man, I really like the detail on this car, and that red is just so beautiful. There we go, and the light hits it like that. And it even has the little Hot Wheels. It says HWNFTG for the Hot Wheels NFT Garage. And really tiny font. And it's usually somewhere on the cars. So it's a little cool detail that they do add. Alright, next up is the McLaren F1. Let's go ahead and bust this one open. And I think this was one of my favorite cars when looking forward to this, because in a previous series, the rarest one was actually a McLaren F1 GTR. So now we got the regular McLaren F1. Let's just go ahead and set the box aside. Pop that out of the packaging or protector. And that is also in a very beautiful color. That is a really nice green. And I feel like that comes up on camera really well too. And those wheels look really nice. The attention to detail, like I said, on these cars is outstanding. And that looks so good there. Like, this is not just your normal Target or Walmart Hot Wheels right here. These Hot Wheels are on a whole other level. But, wow, that is a really nice car. Like I said, the color just looks really good, too. And the way it kind of hits that light. Also, it has like the tan interior, kind of like the Pagani does. Wow, that is a very nice Hot Wheel. And like I said before, like that's like what the backs look like. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of that green. Alright, so then next up we have the 55 Chevy Panel. I'm really excited about this one because the color on it I heard is really, really nice. Let's go ahead and bust that out. Oh wow, this car is huge. Oh my gosh. It's actually so big, the protector can't even close all the way, if you guys can see that right there. Like, that is insane. Like, it is too thick, and this is a Hot Wheels branded protector that it comes in, and the Hot Wheel itself is too thick for its own protector. Wow. That is a huge Hot Wheel car. So if they bring this out in a regular, like, standalone mainline, that is going to be insane. I actually really hope they do that. I'm stalling you guys a little bit, but, like, even, like, that packaging looks beautiful. But there's the car right there, the 55 Chevy Panel. And holy cow, that thing is gorgeous. I really, really like that blue. And the front end looks really good there. Has all these decals on the side. The back looks really nice. And there's even like decals up on the roof. Like, what an insane Hot Wheel this is. Wow, Ralph Boy's Skate Shop. That is such a cool Hot Wheel. Like, I really like that. And like I said, this blue, the way it just like reflects the light. I'm not a huge fan of like older cars, in my opinion. But I think this one, with the color that it is, all the detail that they put into that, that is such a nice Hot Wheel. Like, I really, really like this. Man, look at all that detail. Even like on the tires, there's like text and stuff on the sidewall of those rubber tires, and it says Hot Wheels radial tires. That is really cool. Wow, and then it has like the red windows as well. I don't know if you guys noticed that. And then that full metal bottom. There's even like tread on the tires. I don't know if you guys can really see that. But that right there, even like that picture on the card looks really cool. It's like that beach theme. Got the palm trees there, and the way like that kind of holographic text is kind of reflecting the light. That looks amazing. Let me know what you guys think of this one, because honestly, this whole set, the attention to detail went into this thing like crazy. But also, this thing is enormous. Like, let me compare it to the like McLaren F1. The packaging sticks out a lot further, but also look at that size difference. Like, that is insane how much bigger of a car that is, and like how much wider that is as well. That is mind-blowing to me. But let's go ahead and set this one aside, because we have one more to open up, and this is the rarest one. And this is the one that I only got 5 of. All the rest I have like 8, 9, and 10, I believe, of certain ones. I mean, you guys can see them. These right here are all these like exact cars. So like the 55 Chevy Panel, I literally have 2 full columns right here of just that. So yeah, that's like all of these are actual Hot Wheels in the boxes, just stacked up like precariously. Like these could literally fall over at any moment. But I thought it would be a really cool backdrop to have all these stacked up. But like I said, still waiting on 4 more of these. But without further ado, we have the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. So this right here is a big car name, crazy brand. Every time Hot Wheels does it, it always comes out looking so good. So I want to make sure that I carefully opened that. And let's go ahead and pull this thing out. And because it is the rarest one, it does also come in a slightly different finish. And wow, this thing is already looking insane. And as you can see, it does have a window in the back compared to all the rest. They don't have that. But wow, this is a beautiful Hot Wheel. I'm being careful not to drop it. And I will say this is definitely going to look good in my personal collection. But there it is. It is like a amazing looking car. Like as you see, like the yellow kind of holographic. Well, I guess like the gold, and then the car is actually like a matte finish, so it doesn't reflect the light, but everything else does. But that right there is the car, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, one of my favorite cars in real life, and that looks absolutely amazing. And wow, this thing even has like the little decals and stuff. Has stripes on the roof. Let's see if I can try to show you guys that. Stripes on the roof. It says Porsche on the top of the wing. It has like the little thing which says NFTH, because this is the like treasure hunt of the NFT cars. So that's actually a really cool detail. And wow, the way, actually even like the back has it there as well, where the license plate would be. But that is such a cool car. That looks absolutely amazing. Wow. And then even like right on the front fender, I don't know if you guys can really see it. It has the GT3 RS font right there on the fender. But like I said, it does have a little window in the back, so we can go ahead and turn that around as well. And that's the other side of the car. It's pretty much the same thing. It just mirrors. I don't know if maybe you guys can see it better without all that gold glare. But that is such a nice car. And wow, this thing is insane in the way like that orange paint just looks really, really cool. Like Hot Wheels did an amazing job with this. So let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. But also, which one of these do you guys think is your favorite? So let me just go ahead and move these aside. And I just want to get all these lined up just to at least see what they look like if they're all lined up here. And yeah, I don't have anything to kind of prop underneath them, but this should still be fine. Let's go ahead and shift those over. Grab this one. Alrighty, and then also if you guys want to see like a comparison of like the backs, that's what the back of that one looks like compared to one of the normal ones. But wow, these are very exclusive Hot Wheels. There's only like, I think like 3,000 of like these 4. And this one, I think there's like 1,700, I believe. I might be a little wrong, but they are very rare, very limited. And like this whole lineup just looks absolutely insane. Like I said, put down in the comments down below which one is your guys' favorite out of these 5 right here. Obviously, like the gold on this one is insane because it is like the rarest one. And these cars are just absolutely beautiful. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this and other crazy, awesome Hot Wheels and different exclusives. But as always, thank you for watching.